and today we're going to be talking about low light settings on the DJI Osmo Action 3. As you know, I've had this camera, I've had quite a battle with DJI over this camera. There have been blurry lenses and blah blah blah. You guys know the drama, it's everywhere. I think I have a decent camera now, so what I did is I took my camera to Hollywood Studios here in Orlando, and I decided to try to figure out what are the ISO limits or best low light settings for the Action 3. It can be argued anyway, anyhow, as to what the best settings are, but the staple in my mind is you want 24 frames a second and you want a shutter speed of 1/50, because the longer the shutters open, the slower the frame rate, the more light that gets in, the better the low light. The big thing that we need to figure out is what is the best ISO. So what we're going to do is, I took a bunch of footage in almost total darkness, nighttime, at this theme park, and I did it in all the different ISO settings. Now when I do my ISO, I like to do a range, say 100 to 800, 200 to 16, whatever the ranges are, because if you point towards the light, you want it to auto dim down if you don't need that much ISO. The main thing to set on is setting your max ISO. How high can we go on the ISO and still have a pretty noise-free picture, but also have enough detail to know what we're looking at? And that's what we're about to find out. So I'm just going to show you all this footage that I recorded. I put the settings in the bottom right corner so you know what my max ISO was, and that way you can see all these different samples and see which one looks best to you, so you will know which one to use. Let's get into it. Well, I hope this helps you out a little bit and helps you identify what the best ISO setting is for your DJI Action 3 camera. If you like content like this, please subscribe, leave a like. I am setting a goal to try to grow this channel this year. Last year I concentrated on Amazon influencer. I've got that up to a full-time income. Now I need to do the same with this channel. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.